And it goes a little something like.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing something a little different. I'm going to be doing my skincare routine, but I'm going to be doing a voiceover. This is new for me. Right now I'm just going to put on my headband and I'm going to push my hair back so that it's not in the way of any of the products that I'm going to be putting on my face. I'm just going to put on some spa music to get in the zone, ready to just relax. I have this amazing mist from Bath and Body Works. It literally smells like a spa. So I'm going to be starting with my Urban Skin RX cleanser. This is like a dry bar cleanser, so you scoop it out and then you put it in a little bowl and get a brush wet and just kind of swish it around. This cleanser is super good for hydrating the skin while also cleaning the skin. It's super good for anti-aging and getting rid of dark spots because it has kojic acid in it, which is one of my favorite. Kojic acid is really good for lightening pigmentation. So I have a lot of acne scars, so this cleanser is great for trying to counteract those. So here I am just kind of mixing it up, getting it really frothy. So here I am just applying it all over the face. And I'm going to take the rest of it on the brush and I'm just going to rub it into my hands and I'm going to massage it into my skin. I do this for about 60 seconds to just really cleanse the skin. I have a little foundation on as well, so I'm just going to kind of rub that. Okay, so now I'm just going to rinse it off with a little warm water. And then I'm going to pat dry with my makeup removing washcloth. This one is so great. It's microfiber. It just takes it off so well. Then I'm going to go in with my Urban Skin RX Even Tone Resurfacing at Home Peel Pat. They aren't obviously like an actual peel like you would get at a medical spa, but they come with lactic acid, retinol, and arbutin. And what's so good about these is they are so good for resurfacing and smoothing and improving the appearance of uneven skin tone, fine lines, and pore size. I like to use these like once or twice a week as like my exfoliator. You're not supposed to use these without at least 3 days in between each use, but they're just super good for feeling nice and refreshed. Okay, now I'm going to be taking my Image Skincare Vital C Hydrating Enzyme Mask. This one is just super good for dissolving the dead skin that's sitting on your surface, and it just leaves a nice, glowy, refreshing feel afterwards. I'm going to be applying it with my fingers. I just warmed it up a little bit, and then I'm going to be dabbing it on the face and then rubbing it in just a little bit. And then I'm going to allow it to sit on my face for 10 minutes and then I'll wash it off. Just a little skincare tip that I have been doing throughout the entire video is everything that I apply it in an upwards motion because you want it to lift the skin instead of pulling the skin down. So everything you do should always be pushing upwards. just going to be taking my jade roller and I'm just going to be lightly pushing it into my skin, just kind of giving myself a little facial massage, helping circulation. It's just a nice cooling effect as well to help with any puffiness or swelling that I was feeling. Okay, now this right here is my tried and true. I love this serum. I've worked for Clarins for a very long time, and I've just loved this double serum. It's extremely hydrating. It's a double lipid water-based, that's why it's called like the double serum. And it's hydrating while also anti-aging, and it's just so amazing. It leaves such a nice glow on the skin. It's one of my favorites. Okay, I'm just lightly massaging my face. I just wanted to bring a little more relaxation to my skincare routine today, so I'm just patting it in. And then I'm going to be taking my Spotlight eye cream. This eye cream is so amazing for moisture, brightness, and firmness for underneath the eye. Always make sure to just lightly pat your under eye cream in. Try not to rub underneath your eyes. It's very soft skin, so you don't want to cause premature wrinkles. Okay, now I'm going to be taking my Multi-Active Night Cream by Clarins once again. I'm going to scoop it out because you never want to cross-contaminate what's on your hand into the jar. But this moisturizer, just like the double serum, is one of my favorite night creams. I have really dry skin, so this one is extremely hydrating for dry skin. Plus, it is, once again, anti-aging. And what Clarins has is they have 3 different tiers of anti-aging. This one is the 20s to 30s anti-aging cream. Okay, to finish off my skincare routine, I'm going to be taking my Laneige Lip Mask, which is just amazing. I don't know if you guys have tried this, but it is so hydrating for the lips. So I'm just going to be taking it with my scooper and placing it on my finger, and then I'm just going to be rubbing it in. And that will be the end of my skincare routine. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you liked it, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. And you can comment down below what you guys like to do and your favorite part of your skincare routine. But thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye, guys.